Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm here with few job and internship updates. If you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for regular updates. And if you have any doubt, then I have attached a Google form link in the description. Go and ask your doubts. So starting with the first one, Amazon is hiring for SDE role, and basic qualifications are that you must have bachelor or master in computer science, solid professional experience in software development, and so on. Preferred qualification, programming experience in Java and frameworks such as C, Spring, and Hibernate. Okay. Second update is from Mastercard, hiring for software development engineer. Location is in Pune, and requirements is that currently enrolled in bachelor's or master's degree program majoring in computer science or related field with graduation graduation date of December 2022 May 2021. Third update is from Kpmg. Kpmg is hiring for data engineer role. These are the job descriptions: having good working experience in database development and optimizing in MS SQL Server, Azure SQL database, working experience with experience on SQL Server, and so on. These are the responsibilities, qualifications that you must have bachelor's degree in engineering, technology, business, accounting, or related field. Fourth update is from Optum. Optum is hiring for quality engineer. Location is in Noida. These are the details, nothing else. Fifth update is from Viasat, and it's hiring for software engineer role. Location is in Chennai. Required skills are bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, electronic and communication, IT or related field. Exposure or desire to work with any of the following language: Python, C, C++, React.js, and so on. And fifth update is from Intel. Intel is hiring for undergrad intern technical role. Location is in Bangalore, and it's hybrid mode. Qualification is not clearly mentioned, so all the college students go and apply. And the last update is from Deloitte. Deloitte is hiring for batch 2023. So role is analyst trainee, risk and financial advisory. So go and apply. All the links will be in the description. Also follow our LinkedIn page for regular job updates. Here I post regularly, so go and follow. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.